In this video, I'll show you one expert promo code to use in Argentina. Like us subscribe to this channel for more important videos like this. If you're in Argentina looking for one expert promo code to use, this is what you should do. Once you're in this homepage, click on registration and choose the option that says by email. That's because that's the only option that's going to allow you to receive a bonus in one expert. So choose by email, fill in your surname, your name, and your country. You're going to choose Argentina. So once you choose Argentina, your currency is also going to change to the Argentine peso. Fill in your date of birth, your email address, and your phone number. In your password, you're going to create a password using these four requirements. After creating your password, you're going to come down to the promo code box and use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, one is going to give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. This means if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $300 as bonus. Then go ahead, hit these three boxes and register account. Complete your first deposit immediately you register so that you receive your bonus sent to your account.